Stick a bandage with 5 drops of tea tree oil, and the moths in your cabinets will disappear. This trick saved my pantry. These tiny pests can take over any kitchen cabinet before you even notice them. So here's a method that works every time. When you spot moths, throw away all opened dry products like flour, rice, groats, or cereal. Even if you don't see larvae, there might be microscopic eggs inside. Prepare a bowl of warm water and add 2 or 3 pumps of soap. Mix until it forms a solution that dissolves food residue and removes grease, where moths like to lay their eggs. Take a cloth and carefully wipe every shelf and corner. When you're done, use some rubbing alcohol. Its strong scent and disinfecting properties eliminate the smells that attract moths. Wipe the entire surface and let it dry. Once everything's clean, store your food in airtight containers. Now for the most important part. Take a regular bandage and add 5 drops of tea tree oil. The strong scent repels moths and confuses their sense of smell, keeping them away from your cupboards. Stick the bandage to the shelf and refresh it every 2 to 3 weeks, since the scent fades over time. And that's it. Your cabinets will stay moth-free and your kitchen will smell wonderfully fresh.